Hey gamers and PC enthusiasts! Today we're taking a deep dive into the MSI Aegis Z2 gaming desktop. Before diving in, make sure to check the link below to get this today at the best price available. If you're searching for a smooth 1080p/1440p gaming experience, reliable streaming performance, or a strong base for creative work, this machine might just be the sweet spot for performance versus price in 2025. Brain emoji, AMD Ryzen 7 7700. Balanced power for gaming and creation. The Ryzen R7 7700 offers 8 cores and 16 threads, delivering serious multi-core performance. Whether you're gaming, editing, or live streaming, this chip runs cool and fast thanks to AMD's Zen 4 efficiency. It easily handles modern titles, multitasking, and creator workloads like video rendering or photo editing. Video game emoji, RTX 4060. 1080p and 1440p gaming champion. The NVIDIA GeForce RTX 4068GB may be a mid-tier GPU, but it punches above its weight. You'll enjoy smooth 1080p and 1440p performance on ultra settings. Ray tracing in DLSS 3.5 for cinematic visuals. Solid FPS in games like Cyberpunk 2077, Warzone, Apex Legends, Valorant, and Fortnite. It's also great for streaming, thanks to NVIDIA NVENC, and works well with AI-accelerated productivity tools. High-voltage sine emoji, DDR5 and 1TB SSD, modern speed, ready to expand. Out of the box, you get 16GB DDR5 RAM, faster than DDR4, upgradable. A 1TB M.2 NVMe SSD for lightning-fast boot times and game loads. This setup handles gaming and multitasking like a breeze. And because it's DIY friendly, future upgrades are a no-brainer. Electric plug emoji, PSU, cooling and connectivity. 80+ gold PSU ensures energy efficiency and long-term durability. Great airflow and a minimalist design keep the internals cool. Comes with Wi-Fi, built-in audio, and plenty of I/O ports for peripherals, monitors, and accessories. Bundled keyboard and mouse included, so you're ready to go day one. Toolbox emoji, DIY-friendly design. One of the strongest points of the Aegis Z2 is its toolless case, well-managed cable layout, and easy access to internals. Whether you're a beginner or a seasoned builder, this is an ideal platform for future-proofing and customization. White check mark emoji, pros. Ryzen 7 plus RTX 4060 combo equals smooth gaming and streaming. DDR5 RAM and 1TB NVMe SSD for fast load times. Wi-Fi built-in plus keyboard/mouse included. Upgrade-friendly and well-ventilated case. 80+ gold PSU equals reliable and efficient power. Cross mark emoji, cons. RTX 4060 is mid-tier, not ideal for 4K gaming. Only one storage drive out of the box, but easily expandable. Light bulb emoji, final verdict. The MSI Aegis Z2 is a smart, balanced gaming desktop that hits all the right notes: performance, build quality, upgradability, and value. Perfect for gamers looking to max out 1080p or dabble in 1440p, as well as creators needing reliable horsepower. It's plug-and-play ready, future-proof, and backed by MSI's solid hardware pedigree.